Good morning, dear students. In today's video, we will continue chapter 21, the United Nations, and today we will learn about main organs of the UN. So, the first organ of the UN is General Assembly. The General Assembly is the main organ of the UN. It has 193 member countries. Each member country has only one vote in the assembly. Means each member country can vote only once. The General Assembly meets once in a year to discuss the budgets and other important matters. Once in a year only there is a meeting of General Assembly. Its headquarters is in New York. Next is Security Council. The Security Council is responsible, as you can understand by the name only, it is responsible for maintaining international peace and security in the world. It has 15 members, 5 of them are permanent members and other 10 are elected for a period of 2 years. After every 2 years, there are elections and then the rest of 10 members are elected through elections. The 5 permanent members are USA, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China. The permanent members have veto power. What is veto power? The right to stop a law from being passed or an official decision from being taken. Means these countries, the permanent countries of United Nations, they have right. If any one member decides to vote against any proposal being discussed, it will not be passed. Means if any country, any member country out of 5 permanent member countries is against any decision, the proposal cannot be passed. Next is Secretariat. The Secretariat prepares reports, keeps records and carries out the day-to-day activities of the UN. UN की जो day-to-day activities होती है, their record is kept by Secretariat. The head of the Secretariat is Secretary General. The Secretary General is the head of Secretariat. The Secretary General is elected for a period of 5 years. After 5 years, there is a new Secretary General. The Secretary General of the UN is Antonio Guterres. Next is Economic and Social Council. The Economic and Social Council helps to resolve the economic and social issues of the world. It aims at improving the living condition of the people all over the world. All over the world, if some countries are not in good condition, if their people are not living in good condition, the Economic and Social Council helps them. It protects human rights. It sends food, clothing, and other essential things to the needy and to those affected by the natural disasters. It has 54 members who are elected by General Assembly for a period of 3 years. Next is International Court of Justice. Like we have courts in our country, in our states, in the same way we have World Court also. The International Court of Justice is the judicial body of the UN. It is also called the World Court. Its headquarters is at Hague in the Netherlands. This court settles international disputes between nations in a peaceful manner. The International Council of Justice has 15 judges for a period of 9 years. For 9 years, the judges of International Court of Justice are appointed. These judges are elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council. Next is Trusteeship Council. During the First and Second World Wars, some countries or territories were under the rule of another country. After the Second World War, the UN aided the countries which had not yet become independent at that time. After the Second World War, the countries which were not independent, UN aided those countries. UN helped them. They came to be known as the United Nations Trust Territories, and these countries were called UN Trust Territories, and the Trusteeship Council was established to help the trust territories to form their own government. The work of Trusteeship Council was to help those countries which were not independent before the Second World War, before the formation of UN. So these countries were helped by Trusteeship Council to form their own government. In 1994, Palau, a country located in the Western Pacific Ocean, was the last of the trust territories. Palau was the last country and it became an independent nation in 1994. From then onwards, the Trusteeship Council does not meet annually. So there is no need of any meeting of Trusteeship Council after 1994. The President of the Trusteeship Council decides when it will meet or on the request of the General Assembly or Security Council. Only then there is meeting of Trusteeship Council. It has 5 permanent members: USA, United Kingdom, China, France and Russia. These are the permanent members of Security Council also. So that is all about the organs of United Nations. We will continue with the agencies of the United Nations in the next video. So have a wonderful day, dear children.